everybody. My name is Dhwani Gupta. I'm back with today's session in which we are going to learn new English vocabulary words which will help us to increase our vocabulary and will also help us to clear CLAT and other judiciary exams. So let's get started. So the first word for the day is pendency, meaning the state, condition or period of being pending or awaiting settlement. Basically pendency से ही हमें समझ में आता है कि something which is pending, जो कि अभी होनी बाकी है, which awaits settlement. ठीक है, तो बेसिकली कोई चीज जो कि पेंडिंग है, जिसका होना बाकी है, दैट इज कॉल्ड पेंडेंसी. Sentence: the defendant should be restrained from further public commitment during the pendency of the trial. So the defendant should not do any public comment until and unless the trial is being pending. Okay, the next word is quantum. The meaning of quantum is a required or allowed amount, especially an amount of money legally payable in damages. Basically, quantum हम amount को कहते हैं, पैसे के लिए कहते हैं. It is used for money which is legally payable, जिसको आपको हक होता है लेने का in case of damages. Sentence: each person receives his proper quantum. So each person is getting his legally payable money. The next word is quibbling, meaning the action of raising objections about a trivial matter. Basically, जब आप छोटी बातों के लिए कुछ objection उठाते हो, कुछ बोलते हो, that is called quibbling. Sentence: it isn't worth quibbling over such a small amount. इतने छोटे से amount के लिए object करना, it is not worth it. The next word is purposive. So from this word we can make the meaning which is purpose. Purposive मतलब कोई चीज जब किसी purpose से की जाती है, which is done out of purpose. Sentence: teaching is a purposive and rewarding activity. So teaching is such an activity जिसमें the main purpose of teaching is to educate more and more students, to give knowledge to more and more people, and thus it is a very purposive and rewarding activity. The next word is beguiling, meaning charming or enchanting, often in a deceptive way. कोई चीज जो कि बहुत glamorous लग रही है, charming लग रही है, it's very nice, but in a deceptive way. It is seeming so, but in reality it is not. Sentence: this is perhaps the most beguiling resort on the island. So this is the most charming and enchanting resort on the island. The next word is topography, and this is something which we all have heard in geography. It's very common. Basically, topography का meaning होता है the natural features of land, especially the shape of its surface. तो किसी भी area के जो features होते हैं, natural features होते हैं, जैसे उसका land, shape of surface, vegetation, all that stuff, that is called topography. Sentence: the topography of the river's basin has changed significantly since the floods. Floods के बाद जो river basin की पूरी topography है, जितने भी features है, they have changed completely. Okay. The next word is keep one's powder dry. So this is a very commonly used phrase, meaning to be calm and ready for a possible problem in the future. Basically, when a person is calm and ready for any future problem, that is called keep one's powder dry. So it's very important to know the meaning of the proverbs also, phrases also, because even not only in competitive exams, but also if you are in writing, doing something, so it's always good to use good words, good proverbs. So it's a very simple and easily used phrase, keep one's powder dry. इसका मतलब होता है कि बिल्कुल कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, उसके लिए बिल्कुल तैयार रहना और काम होना. Sentence: they don't know how the election will turn out, so for now they are just keeping their powder dry. उन्हें नहीं पता कि how the election will be, so for now they are just being calm and ready for any possible problem in the future. The next word is irrefutable. So from the word only we are going to take the meaning irrefutable. Refutable means कोई चीज जिसको रिफ्यूज करना, डिनाई करना, डिसअप्रूव करना इज नेक्स्ट टू इम्पॉसिबल. meaning impossible to deny or disapprove. Sentence, the pictures provide irrefutable evidence of the incident. ये जो pictures हैं ये undeniable evidence provide करती हैं incident का. So all these words are very easy. That's all for today. Now it's time for the quiz. Please write the meaning of the following words. The first word is unrivaled. Second, abide. Third, adjudicate. Fourth, litigation. Please write the meaning of the following words. All right, now time for answers. The first word is unrivaled, matchless, eminent, beyond or above comparison. कोई चीज जिसको आप match नहीं कर सकते, it is above comparison, it is way superior. That is called unrivaled. Second is abide by the constitution. It is a very commonly used sentence. Accept or act in accordance with a rule, decision or recommendation. तो किसी चीज को आप accept करना है या किसी के मद्देनजर में ही किसी rule या decision के हिसाब से ही you are acting. That is called abide. Adjudicate, make a formal judgment on a disputed matter. तो कोई disputed matter पे when there is some formal judgment, that is called adjudicate. Litigation, the process of taking legal action. Basically litigation का मतलब होता है कि जो process होती है legal action की, पूरी legal action लेने की, that is called litigation. So that's all for today. These were the words. I hope आप लोगों को सारे words अच्छे से समझ में आए हों. Please make sure just jot it down in any piece of diary or something and keep revising these words so that you can retain these words for a longer time. Thank you very much. Stay tuned for more sessions. Thank you very much. Please like and keep sharing.